Welcome back to the Gwan tours. So we're here in Alanya. Let's have a little look. So you got first bar here. Got a little upstairs on this one. First bar for hookah. Everything. Hello. You okay? No. I'm making a video. You want me to go inside and video it? We'd have to go in every single one. We're going to come back there.
Yeah, I'll have a look at the menu.
Yeah, but show them the menu.
And we have also for our best sponsor martini. It's nice.
Oh, that's
It's best with
beautiful.
prosecco with rose. It's nice.
How much
We
is a
also
beer?
best
300?
Beer 300 runs big one. Half
Yeah.
We have
50?
After, yeah.
What's that, a litre?
Yeah, half.
Half litre, okay.
Big
5
one, not small.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, brother, you come the first time. I offer 2 shots from me.
Oh, that's lovely.
Because you come the first time.
That's lovely. So if you come here first time, he will give you 1 shot for free. Thank you.
We'll be back.
So yeah, there's some bars up there. Let's go down here. So you got little bar street. That was first bar. So better to come down here now because the music's low. I ain't got to worry about too much. I'm okay, thank you very much.
You're from England?
Yeah.
Which part?
Swindon. Where are you from?
Okay, they're from Manchester.
Where are you from?
I'm from Türkiye.
Where?
Diyarbakır.
Oh, okay, lovely.
Can I give you some more information, please?
You want to give the YouTube information? Go for it.
Camera, please.
No. We're working, so we have to do this. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Only information that everyone can have. Hello, you okay? I'm good, thank you. So this is Casablanca. It's very nice. And like I said, it's nice at the moment because the music's low. So at least we can record everything without any copyright music. But I will come down there later on. Then we're gonna have to put music over everything. So you got Las Vegas bar. Got the old Elvis. Welcome to Las Vegas. And you got Los Angeles bar on the left as well. Guys, make sure you subscribe, yeah? Like and share. And let's keep going. So, Las Vegas. A bit more busy in Las Vegas. It's nice to walk down one of these roads without the music slamming out.
This is what
Okay, thank you.
we were looking for last time.
You too, bruv. You okay? You okay? I'm good, brother. You? England?
England?
Yeah.
Newcastle?
No.
London?
No. Southampton.
Birmingham?
Southampton.
Southampton?
Yeah.
Come make happy hours for 4 shots for
But I'm working.
I know, no problem. 4 shots for me gift.
So, aloha.
UFC on.
Oh yeah, bit of UFC up there.
Always got to have an Irish night.
Irish. Cosmopolitan there. We've got Deja Vu.
Deja vu.
Hello. You okay, brother?
You can take a that.
Okay, but thank you very much, yeah?
Rich bar.
So,
Yeah,
The
much
beers?
better choice than where we were last staying.
yeah. Spy bar. Very nice. The mezza bar. So yeah, I guess it's going to be a bit more pumping later on with the music.
And we've got the London bar.
London bar. Got the old underground sign, everything. Hello, how are you? You good? Good, brother.
Carpe diem. Seize the day.
And you get yourself a nice kebab at the end.
So
Hello.
The alcohol.
I'm good, brother. You? So you've got a cocktail bar down there. We're going to go down towards the waterfront. But you've got Harry's over the road as well. So you've got plenty of choice. We're going to take you down to the waterfront. It's quite funny when you're walking with a camera and they can see what you're doing and they're like, come in, come in. Every bar, one after the other, come in. And you're just like, yeah, let me finish my job. Let me finish. Come in, I'll give you 4 shots. Yeah, but then you're going to charge me £5 for a bloody beer. I did notice the prices. It is not the cheapest prices down that road. 300 Turkish lira for 1 beer. He was telling me it's a big beer. 50 cl. A litre is a big beer to me. So a big beer is. When we was in Ishmael, my subscriber that I met over there, he had a big beer, a litre, and it cost him £5. So, you know, that's what I call a big beer, and for a £5 as well. Very nice. All the boats are lit up as well, but we're going to come back that way.
Nice to have the terrace upstairs.
Okay, but thank you.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go for it.
1 minute. From the UK?
Yeah, where are you from?
Huddersfield.
Huddersfield. Ah, lovely. Nice up there.
Swindon. Thank you.
You like to eat or drink something?
No. Thank you. So yeah, you got your marina restaurants. You got all your teddy bears there. That all picked up for yourself. There's a lot of people working over the summer, or maybe they live here now. They've escaped England. But yeah, very big restaurants.
Again, we'll do all of this during the day, so you get to see it in daylight.
Day of light. Wow.
Light of day.
Light of day.
I've only had, 2 glasses of wine, it's already kicked in.
She's
They wanted
already-
me to do shots.
No, no shots. Hello. So yeah, everyone enjoying their food. So you got Robin Hood, Hip Hop, VIP.
Oh, that was a car from the other side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice up there. Probably not going to be good at like, with the camera. But
Might be picking it up, we don't know. So Holly, what's that? Nightclub.
so it's getting done up.
Yeah. So I'll show you these on the fountain. Got fish and steak. Vista. So there's a lot of police presence around here. Maybe there's a police station right there. Yeah. Thank you. 200 lira there for hot dog. Yeah. Cocktail 10, 11 lounge. Yeah. The Ottoman. Where else did we see the Ottoman? So yeah, very nice in it. Everyone enjoying themselves, having a good evening. I don't think it was where Sabrina said, oh, there's a waterfall around here. Wow, let's go and see the waterfall. But yeah, Ottoman looking heaving. Let's go and see this water feature. This waterfall. Wow, look at this. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely lovely. It almost looks fake. Well, Sabrina was right there. I'm gonna turn round. Let me know if this has always been here. If this is real. Sabrina doing selfies. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And what we're going to do, we're going to go make some more videos and we'll catch you on the next one.